Hi kids, welcome to Baby Boo, where stories and creativity come alive. Today, we have a very special tale about a little red hen who works hard to bake something yummy. But what happens before the bread is ready? Let's find out. The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time, on a cute little farm, lived a kind and hardworking hen named Little Red Hen. She loved her cozy home, but most of all, she loved baking warm golden bread. One sunny morning she said, "Oh, what a lovely day. I'll plant these wheat seeds and soon I'll bake delicious bread to share." But planting seeds was hard work, so she went to her friends to ask for help. She waddled over to Woofy, the playful dog who was rolling in the grass. "Woofy, my dear friend, will you help me plant the wheat?" Woofy yawned. "Oh, planting? That sounds like too much work. I'd rather nap in the sunshine." Little Red Hen sighed, but she didn't give up. Next, she walked to Whiskers, the fancy cat grooming his soft fur on a wooden fence. "Whiskers, will you help me plant the wheat?" Whiskers purred, "Oh no, digging is for paws much stronger than mine. I must keep my fur clean." Still, Little Red Hen kept going. She went to the pond and found Quackers, the silly duck splashing in the water. "Quackers, will you help me plant the wheat?" "Oh no, my webbed feet are for swimming, not digging. Just look how pretty the pond looks today." No one wanted to help. So the Little Red Hen planted the seeds all by herself. She watered them, cared for them, and watched them grow tall and golden. When the wheat was ready, she asked her friends again, "Who will help me cut the wheat?" "Not me," said Quackers. "Too dusty," said Whiskers. "Too tiring," said Woofy. So she harvested the wheat all by herself. Then she asked, "Who will help me grind the wheat into flour?" "I'd rather nap," Woofy replied. No one helped, so once again, Little Red Hen did all the work on her own. Even though she was tired, she didn't give up. She mixed the flour, kneaded the dough, and placed it gently in the oven. Soon, the kitchen filled with the yummiest smell ever. The scent drifted outside and tickled the noses of her friends. What is that smell?" "That smells delicious. Can we have some?" Little Red Hen looked at them and asked, "Who helped me plant the wheat?" "Not us." "Who helped me harvest and grind the flour?" "Not us." "Who helped me bake the bread?" "Not us." "Then," she said with a smile, "I will eat it all by myself." And she did, every warm, buttery bite. From that day on, Woofy, Whiskers, and Quackers learned something important. Working together is better, and helping brings sweet rewards. So after that, they all lived happily ever after, baking bread and sharing the joy together. The end. The Little Red Hen teaches us an important lesson. Hard work and helping others leads to success. So always be kind, helpful, and ready to lend a hand. If you love the story, give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more magical stories. See you next time on Baby Boo.